This is Lab 5, File Permissions. Firstly, I have created 3 users, Mia, Emma and Jackson, using the command add user. Mia and Emma will be part of the 3DS staff group I have created and Jackson will not. Using the command mkdir/p, I created a new directory for the 3DS staff users called 3DS staff shared. Using the command chown and the user directory, I made it so that Ubuntu could add or remove files by making it the owner of the directory instead of the root. I then used the command ls/al followed by the directory name to show that the directory was created. Then using the command chmod 750, I changed the permissions of the directory so that the owner can read, write and execute, while users in the group can only read and execute, while others have no permissions at all. Here I used the command chgrp/r to change the owner of the 3DS staff directory to 3DS staff. After that, I used the command usermod/g to add Emma to the 3DS staff group, then used grep to show that her and Mia are both in the group. To start the file permissions test, while logged in as Ubuntu, I first created a file using the command echo file read ok, which put the words file read ok in the file created. I then created a new test file called 3DS staff shared readable. Using the command touch to create a file, cat to read the file, and ls/la, you can see that as Ubuntu I can read, write and execute. Now to expand the test, I used to log in as Mia, who is a user in the 3DS staff group, and use the same commands to show that Mia can read and execute, but can't write. As you can see, when we try to make a file as her, our permissions are denied. I then repeated the same process with Emma, who is also a member of the 3DS staff group. As you can see, her permissions were denied to make a file. Finally, I logged in as Jackson and used the commands as before. As you can see, because Jackson is not a member of the 3DS staff at all his permissions were denied.